Hey guys, Barkat here, and in today's video I'll be covering Google Ads custom segments. So if you don't know how to create a Google Ad custom segments in your Google Ad account, or if you are willing to learn more about the Google Ads custom segments, I hope that this video is for you. So just stick with this video and I will cover each and everything you need to know about the Google Ads custom segments so that you can use this custom segments in your campaigns, whatever the campaign type is, maybe search, maybe display, maybe video, whatever the campaign types, you can use this custom segments for all types of campaigns. So let's get started. So to use Google Ads custom segment, you need to log in your Google Ad account first. So after logged in your Google Ad account, under tools you will find the shared library, and under shared library you can find the audience manager. Just click on the audience manager and you can see this is data segments, audience, custom segments, comment segments. There are lots of things on the audience managers. So probably I will make a dedicated video for the audience manager in near future, but today I will cover only the custom segment, how to create all of these things and how it works. So if you don't know how custom segment works, so let me show you. So once you select this custom segment, just click on the plus button real quick and you will see you can create custom segments using your own data. So here you can see people's with any of this interest on purchase interest. That means, if you put, let's say I just put in plumber, or maybe plumbing business kind of things, plumbing inspection or something like this, maybe water pipe plumbing. So and if I just create these custom segments using these types of keywords and I just select these people with any of this interest or purchase interest, that means people who have any types of interest in this plumbing or water pipe plumbing, any types of things, Google will show our ad to them specifically. And for custom segment name, what I will do actually, like plumber, maybe purchase interest or something. Let me copy from here. And once you put all of these keywords here, and you can see on the right hand side, Google will show you what about the weekly impressions and gender, female and male, age group, and parental status, everything, and you can see also the topic as well. So that means you can use this kind of custom segments on display campaigns, on PMX campaigns, on any types of campaigns under this account. I use this kind of custom segments on PMX campaign and it works very, very well. I mean, you can get lots of qualified lead if you use this kind of custom segments in your PMX campaign. And here is one more. You can see people who search any of this term on the Google search. So if you just click on this, that means people, if someone search by writing on Google plumber or water pipe plumbing, Google will show this kind of ads. I mean, Google will show your ads to particularly to them. So this is how these types of things works. And here is one more. See, people who browse your website similar to, that means you can copy your competitor website and paste it here. You can do lots of things using custom segments. So let's say this is our competitors, like our plumbing company's competitors or something like this. If I just copy this URL and paste it into my custom segment here, so yeah, so that means if someone searches using our keywords, or maybe search terms on keywords, or maybe purchase interest also, or maybe if browse these websites, Google will show our ad to them. So this is the beauty of the custom segments. So if you have not tried this custom segments yet, I highly suggest you should try it. If you try this custom segments on your display campaign or PMX campaign, I can bet you can get the highest qualified lead from the display and the PMX campaign. And here you can find one more people who use this kind of similar apps. So that means if you are running any types of campaign for apps or maybe applications, you can paste the application URL or maybe name here. But I am not really concerned about this one because people don't use this much. I mostly use this purchase interest or Google search terms and this URL. I mean, people who browses similar this kind of websites, I just target them using custom segments, and I use PMX campaign to target all of them. So once you are done and just hit save, then your custom segment is saved. So you can see I have a couple of custom segments in this account for testing purpose, and yeah, I got really good results from this kind of custom segments, not on this account, and other accounts. So that's what I'm saying. If you have any questions regarding the custom segments, you can ask me in the comment below, and feel free to comment any types of things if you want to really know about the custom segments. And hopefully I will make another dedicated video for the audience manager, how audience manager works in Google Ads. So if you really like this video, feel free to subscribe these channels and like this video, and please share this video with your friends who wants to learn the Google Ads. And if you don't know, I do have a course in these channels, and you can watch this course for free. I shared each and everything you need to know to set up a Google Ad campaign from scratch. page for a local business. And if you watch my video playlist, I believe you will not have a single question regarding the Google Ads, how to generate lead for any types of local businesses. So I will link this video on my description so that you can have a look. So for today I am out, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.